Today we're going to talk a little bit about this beautiful, true custom-made cabinet by Boise's own R.A. Stephan. LUXX Kitchen Path has a partnership with Robert Stephan, well-known local craftsman. He built our kitchen cabinets. They're gorgeous. People love them. But he builds all kinds of things, including sink chests for bathrooms. This chest was built to look like your grandmother's chest, and a lot of people like to do that. They like to convert old chests into vanities. The problem with that is, we get people regularly come in and say, oh, I'm thinking of doing this. How should I go about it? And our first response is always, well, your grandma's chest was probably not built to withstand the rigors of bathrooms, meaning humidity and water. You better figure out how you're going to protect that chest, otherwise it's going to get destroyed. Well, Robert built this for a bathroom. It's got an 11-step finish. The quality of the construction is amazing. Notice these cut corners. He turned the legs to match the angle. Robert used Baltic birch in the construction. Just a Blum hardware, which is the best hardware you can buy. It's built to accept either a drop-in sink, so you cut a hole, drop in a sink, or you could put a vessel sink on top of it. You cannot use an undermount sink with this cabinet unless you replace this top, which you can do with some other surface such as quartz or stone or what have you. If you do that, you do need to be careful about the depth of the sink. Yeah, just a beautiful piece, local craftsman, and we're happy to be selling it with Robert Stephan. Thank you.